What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
My little sister threw it down the stairs.
Mm-hmm.
And it fell.
And it broke?
Mm-hmm.
With the case on it like this?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Still working?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. Don't worry. I got you. We're gonna deep clean this. Look at that. Your iPad is ready, sir. Everything looks good to go
Thank you.
and looks brand new.
Yeah, excited. Thank you for fixing it.
Thank you for fixing my tablet.
You're welcome. Looking good?
Yeah. You like it, right? Good. Back to new.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back.